In today's video, I'll teach you how to change theme in UpScrolled. First of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the theme, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You can see various options over here. So what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access various settings over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for appearance and media. What you have to do is tap on this option app theme that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to change the app theme. If light mode is selected for you, you can simply tap on the option dark. Now you can see over here the theme will be changed. If dark mode is selected for you and if you want to change it to light, simply tap on the option light. Now you can see over here the theme will be changed to light. So like this you'll be able to change the theme. So that is how you change theme on UpScrolled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.